Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shreya. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am doing Savannah Haul Part 2, which was pending from a really long time. So let me quickly show you what products I bought from this Savannah sale, and everything is very much functional and worth it again. Nothing is waste of money. So comments में आके कोई ये नहीं बोलेगा कि ये तो बेकार चीज है, इसकी जरूरत क्या थी. Let's get into the video quickly. So the first thing that I've got is this wooden comb. This is how it looks. Comb is really nice for massaging down your scalp when you have applied any hair serum, hair oil or any other hair treatment. And on top of that, अगर किसी दिन तुम्हें headache हो रहा है, that time also you can literally use this. You can just go in with this like this, like this. You can do it. You can massage your scalp any time of the day, whenever you feel tired, whenever you feel anxious. This helps to relax your muscles. This helps to relax your head and everything. Sometimes this is really great for shoulder pain as well. Abhi you won't be able to see, but if I'll show you, you literally can massage your shoulders like this. And this one is such a game changer. This one instantly relieves your pain, releases your stress, and you feel happy from within instantly. You will forget all of the stress and tensions that you have from life for at least an hour or so. I would highly suggest this hair comb. This is really nice. So this is the first thing that I've got, and again I've got it for like 95 rupees during the sale, which is nominal, right? Now moving on to the next product. Now next one is this phone suction. I film a lot of videos in my bathroom and I really need something which is handy, which is easy to stick. So you can just stick this on back of your phone. See these small beads in it. These are the suction pumps which creates vacuum. Take your phone, paste it at the back, and then you can just go and paste your phone anywhere, be it a wall, be it mirror, be it anything. It's gonna stick and it's not gonna move. Is very nice investment on budget. This one again was for 99 rupees only. Now moving on to the next product, I have got these pair of 24 rings. Now this one was for 290 rupees, which is fine, but इसमें 24 rings आ रही हैं and everything is nice. Like इसमें different designs हैं, dainty pieces हैं, everyday look के लिए, office look के लिए, कहीं के लिए भी you can use them. And I'll show you. इनको you can also wear as a stack, right? I'll show you how many pieces they have. These are all the rings. इनमें बहुत सारे designs हैं guys. Like can you just see such a nice piece like this? कितना प्यारा लगता है ये. Diamond type studded है जिसमें कुछ stone studded है. I'll wear few of them and I'll show you quickly. मैंने फिलहाल के लिए सिर्फ ये वाली rings पहनी है and can you just see they look so nice on my hands. Moving on to the next product, I bought this pair of face towels. ये buy one get one free था, so I'll show you one of that. This one is white in color. This one is how the face mask looks. ठीक है. सो ये ना बेसिकली अगर तुमने स्टीमिंग करी है या कुछ करा है ना, एंड इफ यू वांट कि एक हॉट टॉवल थोड़ी देर के लिए फेस पे लगाना है, तो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज पुट इट लाइक दिस ऑन योर फेस. इसमें ये दो स्टैक्स हैं. tuck it in your ears like this. The one on your ear like this. This one is opening for your eyes. And this one is for your nose. Another a very much multifunctional product. You should check this out. Buy one get one free पे अभी भी ये मिल रहा है. मैंने अभी check किया. So if you want, you can try this one out. Okay, so this one is the last and the most functional product. I think it is this one set. I'll open and show this to you. ये दो चीजें ना तुम लोगों ने इंटरनेट के एस्थेटिक वीडियोस में बहुत ज़्यादा देखा होगा और ये बहुत फंक्शनल है at the same time. This is the thing that I wanted to get from a really long time. The other is just another scalp massager. Quality is very nice. Can you just see the bristles? They are so fine and sharp. They will be really nice to massage hair oil or hair serums on your scalp. Nice baby pink color. I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, it doesn't hurt as well. It's really nice. Very therapeutic, guys. Very therapeutic. इसके बारे में जिन लोगों को नहीं पता मैं बता दूं, ये ऐसे यहाँ से ओपन होता है. इसमें you're gonna put oil and water. तो सबसे पहले इसमें वाटर जाता है एंड देन यू गोना पुट योर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑयल इन इट, फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ इट. और अगर तुमने रोजमेरी वाटर या कुछ उस टाइप का बना के रखा है ना अपने घर में जो आयुर्वेदिक है एंड ऑर्गेनिक है, देन यू कैन पुट दिस इन, क्लोज दिस अप. यहाँ पे मेजरमेंट्स भी दिए हुए हैं बाय द वे. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ इट्स विजिबल प्रॉपर्ली और नॉट. 02, 202, 302, 402 and 502. So like this mls are mentioned, and you're gonna water will come out from these bristles. It's gonna do two things at a time. It's gonna be like you are gonna be doing it like this on your scalp. Okay, so it's gonna brush at the same time your scalp. It's gonna massage, and it's also gonna put that important hair oil or rosemary mist or whatever you have. So two benefits at the same time. You don't have to brush your hair after applying it. But again, I got it for 160 rupees, the whole kit. So I think that's worth it. And that is all for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions for me, then do let me know in the comment section below. And please let me know what kind of videos would you like to watch, and I'm gonna be so happy to curate them for you guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.